Decoding the Digital Universe, a deep dive into big data. You may initially perceive this concept as some cryptic, gadget-focused jargon, but I assure you it's more complex than it first appears. In our current digital age, where technology reigns supreme, data production has become as routine as the heartbeat. It's continuous, unstoppable, and largely unnoticed. Every moment in our daily lives, whether it's a simple Google search or a reaction to a trending, contributes significantly towards this ever-growing digital expanse. Every single question you pose to your search engine, each website you choose to explore, and image you decide to download, each of these actions becomes a data point. This data might seem trivial and insignificant individually, but collectively, they form an enormous reservoir of information. This is the mammoth assembly we've come to understand as big data. And it's not just confined to the World Wide Web. Your smartphone, wearable tech, and even your refrigerator all contribute to data generation around the clock. Each swipe on your phone screen, every heartbeat, your fitness accessory records, and every item your fridge recommends for restocking are all tiny fragments of data being incessantly added to the big data cosmos. But what form does this data take? It's an elaborate record of your digital interactions, a chronicle of your online behavior. It may be the duration of your stay on a website, the dynamic pattern of your clicks, or the frequency of your app downloads. Regardless of its simplicity, every interaction is a tiny piece of the broad digital universe. Imagine it as a vast, sprawling digital terrain, brimming with mountains of data, with rivers of information flowing incessantly. Each interaction is a pebble amplifying these mountains, a droplet joining the flowing river. As time progresses, these pebbles and droplets amass, forming an awe-inspiring expanse of data, a universe in its own right. When we discuss big data, we're not merely touching upon a tech buzzword or a complex mathematical concept. We're referring to the cumulative result of our digital actions, the aggregate of our online footprint. This colossal universe of data isn't stagnant. It's being dissected, examined, and manipulated to decipher our collective behaviors, anticipate trends, and enhance the efficiency of our digital existence. That's the profound power and the intrinsic meaning of big data. It reflects our contemporary lives, an emblem of our digital epoch, a mirror of our online activities. It's essential for comprehending the digital world increasingly intertwining with our real lives. Each search, every click, every download, every interaction is a tiny fragment contributing to the vast digital cosmos we call big data. Our comprehension of big data is built upon 4 critical attributes, commonly referred to as the 4 V's. Let's delve deeper into these and explore some real-world applications. First up is volume. Volume refers to the gigantic amount of data generated globally every second. Picture the billions of Google searches conducted daily, or the vast amount of video footage uploaded to YouTube every minute. Consider the endless social media posts shared across platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Furthermore, think about the emails sent and received daily, financial transactions, healthcare records, research data, and weather reports. This enormous ocean of information constitutes the volume aspect of big data. An example of utilizing this volume is the way online retail giants, such as Amazon, use customer data to provide personalized recommendations, thus enhancing the shopping experience. After volume, we move on to velocity. This refers to the rapid pace at which new data is generated, processed, and stored. Within a blink of an eye, new data is born, shared, and stored. This high-speed data generation allows real-time insights and instant decision-making in our fast-paced digital world. For instance, stock trading platforms use veracity to provide real-time updates on share prices, allowing traders to make swift, informed decisions. The third characteristic is variety. Data comes in various shapes, sizes, and forms. Some data is structured, like in a spreadsheet or database, while a significant portion is unstructured, like tweets, Instagram images, YouTube videos, blog posts, podcasts, or voice recordings. This diversity in data adds to its complexity and value. For example, healthcare providers analyze various data, from electronic health records to wearable device data, to provide personalized patient care. Lastly, we have veracity, which refers to the accuracy and reliability of data. With abundant information at our disposal, the data we use for critical decisions must be truthful and reliable. Any misinformation can lead to wrong decisions with significant consequences. For example, in weather forecasting, the veracity of data can mean the difference between a timely warning and a disaster. In conclusion, volume, velocity, variety, and veracity are 4 pillars of our understanding of big data. They shape how we collect, analyze, and apply data in various fields, from business and healthcare to weather forecasting. It underscores the importance of relying on accurate, reliable data in our information-saturated world. You may wonder why big data is crucial. Let's delve deeper to understand. Firstly, envision big data as a colossal concealed vault chock full of incisive insights waiting to be discovered and harnessed. Think of it as an expansive gold mine teeming beneath the Earth's crust, eager to alter humankind profoundly. It holds the key to transfiguring the commercial panorama to redefine how corporations grasp their clients' requirements, anticipations, and cravings. For instance, online retail giant Amazon uses big data to recommend products based on customers' browsing and buying patterns, enhancing user experience and boosting sales. Similarly, the relevance of big data is not confined to the commercial sector alone. It extends its reach to the public sector as well, serving as an instrumental tool that can revolutionize public amenities, can assist governments in discerning their residents, their requirements, their hurdles, and their ambitions on a greater level. For example, the government of Singapore leverages big data to optimize public transportation by analyzing patterns and predicting future demand. Furthermore, the healthcare sector has much to gain from big data, providing a comprehensive understanding of a patient's history, genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors. Data can pave the way for truly personalized care. For example, medical researchers at Stanford University used big data to identify a correlation between gene mutation and skin cancer, leading to preventive measures and targeted treatments. The research sector can immensely benefit from big data. It can enable researchers to make path-breaking scientific discoveries, to spearhead advancements that were only figments of our imagination. For instance, climate scientists are using big data to interpret complex weather patterns and predict the effects of global warming. Nonetheless, like any potent tool, big data comes with its share of issues regarding privacy, ethics, and data governance, which require mindful navigation, sensible policies, and responsible management. Data, in essence, is redefining the lens through which we perceive vast and fast-paced digital cosmos, an ever-evolving universe of information. It's a realm where the lines between the virtual and physical are progressively blurring, where data is shaping our lives in ways we're just beginning to comprehend. Big data presents a myriad of challenges, but also offers opportunities. Opportunities to innovate, to expand, to enhance, to progress. These challenges and opportunities are two sides of the same coin, each requiring understanding, adaptation, and insight. One fact stands out in this intricate, rapidly evolving world of data. Big data is here to stay. It isn't a fad or a transient occurrence. It's a fundamental component of our digital age, an era where understanding big data is advantageous and indispensable to navigating our digital trajectory. So how do you deal with massive amounts of data? Two tools have emerged to handle this high volume of data, the main one being Hadoop. Hadoop is like the superhero of big data processing. It's an open-source software framework that lets you store and process vast amounts of data across clusters of machines. NoSQL is another technology that has emerged to deal with the unstructured nature of this data. Short for not only SQL, this powerhouse offers a more flexible approach, allowing for easier scaling, faster performance, and better handling of unstructured or semi-structured data. These two software packages are essential to managing big data and making it available for the road ahead. Let's delve into another exciting frontier where big data plays a pivotal role. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. Here, big data and AI go hand in hand, creating a symbiotic relationship that is changing the face of technology as we know it. AI is all about making machines smarter, and for machines to be intelligent, they need lots of data. This is where big data steps in. The vast volumes of structured and unstructured data we generate daily are the fuel that powers AI algorithms. Machine learning, a subset of AI, mainly depends on big data. Machine learning algorithms learn from data, improving their performance as the amount of data they're exposed to increases. This is why companies like Google and Amazon invest heavily in big data and AI. Big data is also playing a critical role in developing intelligent systems. Whether it's a self-driving car learning to navigate the roads, a recommendation engine suggesting movies based on your viewing history, or a voice assistant refining its understanding of human language. All these systems rely on vast amounts of data to function and improve. The quality and variety of this data are critical as they determine how well these systems can perform. To sum up, the relationship between big data and AI is dynamic. As we generate more data, AI continues to evolve. And as AI evolves, it enables us to create and make sense of even more data. This symbiotic relationship is set to shape the future of technology, making our devices more intelligent, our lives easier, and our world more connected. So, as we continue to explore the fascinating world of big data, remember that it's not just about the data. It's about the intelligence we can derive from it and the incredible potential this holds for our future. So that's a wrap on our journey through the digital cosmos of big data. We've explored the 4 V's, the importance and challenges of big data, and seen how it powers modern technologies and AI. But the journey doesn't end here. The future of big data is as vast as the data itself. As we continue to generate and collect more data, we will also continue to find new ways to analyze and utilize it. This will lead to advancements in fields we've already touched on, like AI and machine learning, but also in areas we've yet to imagine. Predictive analytics, for instance, will become more accurate and nuanced, shaping everything from healthcare to marketing. Big data will also play an increasingly important role in solving global challenges. From predicting and mitigating the impacts of climate change to managing resources more efficiently. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. Big data is more than just a buzzword. It's a reality that's shaping our world in profound ways. As we continue to navigate the digital universe, big data will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping our future. So keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the power of big data is in our hands. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Remember, if you liked our video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell below. It really helps us out.